Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the picture mode on your Xiaomi TV. Before I start explaining, I want to make two important notices. First one is that you have to change picture mode for each input you have on your TV individually, no matter whether it's an HDMI port or a TV cable port. And the second one is that you first have to connect a device to this input before changing its picture mode, because otherwise you will not be able to do this. Now, in order to change the picture mode, you have to go to the settings menu on your TV. In settings, find display and audio tile and open it. After that, you have to go to picture settings and then select the port which has a device connected to it. And you'll be transferred to this input. You'll be switched to that device you have connected to your input. And now after that, select the first option on the sidebar on the right side of your TV, and this will let you change the picture mode for this input. And we can choose from eight different picture modes. In my case, it's PS5, so the game mode is enabled automatically, as it has a lower input latency, which is important for gaming, but we can of course change it to any other mode that we need. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.